ban pelong ya kani kali ka ban February ka kon pan nep shwa ume life way terik kane kalong kata kalik ba chumpnya ad betam da prokam si ay nga to ka 6% po crore ngan wan rakit nop Messi player na po kari ko jongi katba ka Meghalaya ka nagsnaya ka stadium ka baheh tam po kari ko jongi ka football hapo kari India ka jongi kala po at mer ka jingyap mabiling ong kumta nambar ka division 1 football league hapo kari ko jongi kala iban sedang bakala de banyat bet chat tambahado man tapat ka manan kadang thli player kadang Xiong Yeng barkali ka bagi siya aman la kapor ka ISL ka banyad tamba dan bayarap banya le partnership bat ka AIF ban panyad ka league bar umdi bomdan makwa ban le partnership Handai adon makwa ban le partnership ban renew da ka way ka contract tamba ka AIF par ka kantat ka ta ka contract Kublish pun Baron, welcome you back to Word with Nel. Mentas yang nen crunch pang beli ka ISL kadang sakut chadien, beli ka ni ka kontrak ka barim ka Football Sports Development Limited, ka claim tre issue ban sign na ka ju hi ka kontrak. Pangang crunch pang ka jinga pera pa nga Saudi Arabia bat India, bat kumjo okay bakini ki top players na pokari ka jungi ki pan na ka FIFA. Nadu ara jar sipaw ka FSDL Football Sports Development Limited kum ka contract partnership bat ka All Indian Football Federation kasiu kumbasan pau crore shis namban broadcast memban commercial ka league ka contract ka jong ka FSDL ba ka AFF ka de kumba khatsan sneme ba ka court house nambal adap ara jar arpsan barau brai match ka AIFF kula ong ka FSDL ban renew ben ka ju ko contract tamba ka FSDL pa ka kham tre ban renew ka ju contract kung malada pikwa bangi ngin le contract ngin le ka new model contract ba de ka new contract am ki panong kam hakwe kwe ki league te kum jo ka FSDL ka propose ka ni ka jo contract am ba ka AFF par ka kanta ka ni contract muntangan batay pini komplay ba ka FSDL ka ba renew contract ka jingkwa jo ka FSDL ba renew contract ka day ba ka AIFF kam don financial sustainability hapo ka governance ka jonki governance ka flop hado kata ba ka don mismanagement na every now and then Haji ka ba di bon ka jingyo bon ka jinglot banya ka jingyo ka chance nem kila panya je kalik tambaki ang umdan pisaban panya je kalik menta imagine pi but how ara jara pasa u bajung butia kum member jong ka AIFF ula kno yo president jong ka AIFF u kalian chabe ya ka jingbam sap ka jongu bar ula ong ru lada P8 lada pi kwa ba football po ka ri ka jongi kan pi de ban yar shuki mardor Paula Ongro ka vision ka jong pinam ta ka 2047 man pelong ka India football team top hapo ka Asia Brokaway kan long tang hapo ka kot kanum jia lano ro.
बात तो सही है
Barkani ka jong kono jong bajung butia yo president jong ka AIFF u kalian chawbe ka klem long khawe ru ngan batay pi kindet pang kalian chawbe u day u president jong ka AIFF bar u day na ka party BJP Tana kata pala di to ka FSDL kala amon penlong ya ka ISL bakal ready ban penle da ka new model contract ane ka new model contract ko ang ba 2% kan let sha ki ne ki club ki pelot shibon but 2% kan let ka FSDL but 1% pa kan let sha ka AIFF tamba ka AIFF par ka kantat ka ne ko contract ko ang bay alep da ka ju ko contract ka brem ay be ka to ka san po krong ngin penyad himangi le broadcasting mapi bar commercial mapi ka league tamba ka FSDL pa ka kantat tang nakatar pila song to ka jing tumu ayu jong ka AIFF ban chupan be da ka pisa directly mga ongay pingan batas pang ka jing Peru apre Saudi Arabia bat ka India ka Saudi Arabia ka bid haru kata baka pelod ki pau crore ba wanyala mi Ronaldo ba la ka Saudi Pro League imagine pi Banmentapan out of all the countries 140 plus countries ka Saudi kana number rupau di player rating ru laki wado kata but ka viewership ng ka Saudi Pro League mentak apa number 16 ka India ka jungi pa ka start hadu kata ka pelod shispa san pau crore ba wanyala mi Messi ka world tour pa ka ri ka jungi shispa san pau crore Barbun ki fans ki basha scam ro kumjo don ki fans ki balik page Messi tama ya ka don Messi klimi ida maki upload ki pau hajar ban like page Messi But ka rating jo kari ka jungi menta ka don number shis pa sa poar imagine pi shis pa sa poar but ka way ka jingli o ka man kli pisa bar khat mono baya jumunta khambon ya ka ne ka jingwan Messi mga mapi ki fans ne ki politicians ne ki VVIPs ne ka football pa kari jungi ka jayo football grassroots level pa kari ka jungi menta ki player ki yo kali ka poy siya kali ka poy ha ka jingjanjar but Uranjit Bajaj uang balada pelot 6% crore ha Messi आएगा तो 6% po crore ngan wan rakit nop Messi player na po kari ko jongi
अभी ये मेसी को लेके आ रहे हैं केरला में 150 करोड़ रुपए खर्च कर रहे हैं भाई 150 करोड़ रुपया का मतलब समझो 150 करोड़ रुपया अगर तुम मुझे दे दोगे मैं तुम्हें गारंटी देता हूं कि तुम्हारे को मैं 10 मेसी भी निकालूंगा और वर्ल्ड कप भी पहुंचाऊंगा। और कितने साल के लिए? 15 साल के लिए 15,000 बच्चों का खाना पीना रहना है वो।
Mat kapasonsi tam EM kadi ka nik top player na pokari ka chungi. Kikirpa dia ka FIFA ban wan intervene namar baka AIFF kamla show ban kular ban bo ya ka kular bakal abo.
It's January, and we should be on your screens as a part of a competitive football game in the Indian Super League.
Instead, here we are, driven by fear and desperation, to say aloud something which we all know.
Indian football governance is no longer able to fulfill its responsibilities.
We are now staring at a permanent paralysis. This is the last-ditch effort to save what we can.
Players, staff, owners, and the fans deserve clarity, protection, and more importantly, a future.
Imagine pi. Namod ladala apoy hauta put maka football pokari ka chungi kal apoy siya kata ka tmir ka chungi. Masan like kani ka video na ki player sports minister jong kari ka chungi ula announce ba ula ong ba ya ka SL bala pansange en pasdang no February ka Southern. Hato hakajis ko jo pisong ko bakani ka long khobor ba ba. Ne kadai tamam pandap rukam ne. Ka AFF ban pelong ya kani kali ka ban February ka kon pandap shwa ume life way terek. Bakani pisong ko siya bakadi kali. Kam pisong ko siya bakadi ka Division 1 League song ko bakadi man ka tournament. Barkani kalaban kata ya kamer kapat ki player kalaban kata injury kalaban bone. Namar imagine pi tanga po live banan pandap adu kandai pandru matches umdai ka bakai. Bat kadi ka BBI ro akamat ka Asian Football Confederation. Bar bang qualify nam ka Asian Football Confederation ro ki club ki ban board ki ne ki rules and regulations. Kawai ka club kadi ban lakai komba at South League ki match haka shi season. Haka shi season kadi ban prabnai bar haka ne ka prabnai ki ban lakai nam ka league ki ban compete nam ka league ki ban compete nam ka domestic cup nam ka final ro. Kane kalong kata ka league ba chumpanya bet man da prokam. Henry umpat don AA hapo ka league. Yo tangka ay. Barka problem am kam din na kiniki politicians kali na nga na piro kumjo. Halsika bangingin sa pod ka league ledeng ipait man ki league chunki way. Hoy mangar long kumjo mapiro long kumjo kata. Takadaw ngingi di ban support. But sa kaway ka problem am ka day ka jing involved like ki politicians hapo ka association ki sports associations per ka ri ka chungi. Ujo na berhamu balas support bahaya ka football bakari ka jungi ang lada ada sponsors nga ngan wan ki top player na po ka Northeast.
And football is very popular in only 4 pockets in this country: Goa, Kerala, Calcutta, and the Northeast. You know, making sure that grassroots actually are very important for football. So I'm opening an academy in Shillong, a 15-acre academy where we want to get kids out of there. Unfortunately, at this point of time, it's like you know in the news, it's disheartening and it's really disappointing to know what's happening with Indian football right now. It's devastating. And for someone like me who's put in all his money, his life, his efforts into this, it breaks my heart. But I think hopefully everything will come back and we'll be good.
Mod ngingiron ki player ki bataf na pokari ka chungi tamba ka problem ka day ba biang sponsorship biang ka association mapanyan biang ka federation. Balada ka football pokari ka chungi ka court mumde ka jingtuna ki players ki batrem Henry ka jingtuna ka day ki nom panyan ka jingtuna ka day na ki brio ki bapanya ja kali kemla ban panya ja kali ka kata ka rukama ki player kin long safe kin long fine kin long good kin long talented kin kiu shaprang Kim long kumta. Ngingi day ban ong yo president jong IFF ba ude ban hiar shuki mardor. Lada pisong ha ba ka jingkran jong like ka video subscribe but comment rukum jo. Tangin ni content publish buni ki baro pa until next time.
The clock is at 90 minutes. If we stay silent now, there will be nothing left to save.